Poco F6 is expected to launch later this year as a successor to the Poco F5 5G that was unveiled in May 2023. Previous reports have claimed that the Poco F6 could be a rebranded version of the Redmi Turbo 3, which was introduced in China earlier in April. Poco F6 moves a step closer to launch as it gets NBTC certified with model code 24069PC21G. Now, the purported Poco F6 has been spotted on a benchmarking website. A Poco phone with model number 24069PC21G has been spotted on the Geekbench website, said to be the Poco F6. The phone has scored 1,884 and 4,799 points in single-core and multi-core tests. The listing shows that the handset will support 12 GB of RAM and ship with Android 14-based HyperOS. The octa-core Qualcomm chipset on the phone is listed to have a clock speed of 3.01 GHz. It is expected to be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, which is likely to be paired with an Adreno 735 GPU. The phone is expected to get LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 inbuilt storage. It will have a 6.78-inch OLED display. The screen will have 1220p resolution with 144 Hz display refresh rate, with 2400 nits peak local brightness. A recent report claims that the Poco F6 will likely be equipped with a dual rear camera unit that could include a 50-megapixel Sony IMX920 primary sensor alongside an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor paired with an ultra-wide lens. A 20-megapixel selfie camera. The handset is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery with 90W wired charging support. Based on earlier rumors, the Poco F6 will arrive in May or July, possibly first in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.